teachers, my senior, and my dear friends. Today I am Devam Ghosh of Semester 1 Basic Chemistry. Today I am going to present on the topic on my today's presentation topic was studying the bioactivity of amoxicillin and omeprazole through computation. So let's begin. First of all, these are the contents or the index on which I will discuss today. First of all, I will go through the introduction, then objectives of the project. Thirdly, methodologies used, and there are two compounds which I have chosen from one. First of all is amoxicillin. Amoxicillin. Then there I will discuss the main findings of amoxicillin, and second omeprazole, and under it main findings of omeprazole. Then difference between amoxicillin and omeprazole. Then conclusion and references. Then first of all, introduction. The topic of our project is all about bioactivity. So we have to know what is bioactivity. In chemistry, bioactivity typically refers to the ability of a chemical compound to interact with biological systems such as proteins, enzymes, or cells. These interactions can result in various effects, including therapeutic actions, toxicity, or modulation of biological processes. Bioactivity compounds are often studied for their potential application in medicine, agriculture, all other fields related to biology. Miss activity is all about biology, which is related to any kind of biological activity in any compound, suppose medicine, vegetable, agriculture, or in any fields. Examples: drug molecule, enzyme inhibitors, etc. So now objectives of the project. First, we have used Kendra and Pass Online to analyze the bioactivity of the chemical compound. Second, we have done the literature survey of the compound, explained them in our project. Third, we have found the following useful bioactivity of the compound. Um, amoxicillin, under it skin irritation inactive. Second, antibacterial. Third, cell wall synthesis inhibitor. Fourth, penicillin amidase inhibitor. And fifth, antispirochetal. And the omeprazole, under it gastric antisecretory. Second, antileucolytic. Third, ATPase inhibitor. Fourth, antimatotoxic. And fifth, cytoprotectant. Now the methodologies we used. Step 1. We have used ChemDraw software to draw the chemical structure of the compound and save it as MDN mol file, as which has been seen in figure 1. Step 2. Now we have used Way2Drug Pass online website, and here we register ourselves as in figure 2 which was shown. Now step 3. Now click on predict new compounds as shown in figure 3. Now step 4. Now for prediction we will use Marvin.js option as in shown in figure 4. Step 5, we chose the compound which was saved as MDL mol file in figure 5 as shown. Step 6, now click on predict to get the main findings as shown in figure 6. Step 7, now we work with the predicted compounds. Lastly, we have done a literature survey to explain the bioactivity of the chosen compound, explain them in details in the next section of the project. Now, among the two compounds, amoxicillin and omeprazole, first I will discuss about my first compound, that is amoxicillin. Amoxicillin, as we know, amoxicillin is a drug, and it is obviously a medicine. It is a drug to treat bacterial infections. It is a form of penicillin. It kills certain types of bacteria, and also it is an antibiotic. As the structure has been shown, it is used to treat bacterial infections such as medullary infection, etc. Now the main findings for amoxicillin. First, skin irritation inactive. As amoxicillin rashes varies in severity and can appear as red or purple spots, hives, or flat red patches on the skin. Second, antibacterial. Amoxicillin and penicillin antibiotic treats bacterial infection like ear and chest infection in children. It prescription only and work by stopping bacterial growth or killing them. Third, cell wall synthesis and inhibitor. Amoxicillin weakness bacterial cell wall, causing them to rupture and die efficiently, treating various infections. Fourth, penicillin amide inhibitor. Amoxicillin, a penicillin antibiotic, restores bacterial cell wall synthesis by inhibiting transferside enzyme, causing cell lysis and bacterial death. Fifth, antispirocletral. Amoxicillin can effectively treat spirocletral infections like Lyme disease and spines by inhibiting their cell wall synthesis. Now my second compound was omeprazole. So omeprazole also a medicine. It is it's used especially it's a drug. It's used for the gastroenterological repulse disease in short, which is say it is WGERT, and it is a class of drugs called proton pump inhibitor or PPL. Proton pump inhibitor is that which stop or reduce the stomach acid used to treat and uses to treat certain stomach and esophagus problems, and here the structure of omeprazole. Now the main findings for omeprazole. First, gastric antisecretory. Omeprazole is a PPI. Already said it's reduced the stomach acid that reduce by blocking an enzyme system helpful for GERD gastroesophageal reduce repulse ulcers and Johnson and Linson syndrome. Second, anti-lucrative. Omeprazole is an anti-lucrative medicine that heals and prevents stomach and duodenal ulcer by reducing acid production as a proton pump inhibitor. ATPase inhibitor. Omeprazole inhibits ATPase, reducing stomach acid to treat GERD and peptide ulcer. Antimetotoxic. Omeprazole has potential as an antimetotoxic agent by mitigating toxic effects on blood. Cytoprotectant also offers cytoprotective properties by enhancing mucin secretion and increasing blood flow to gastric mucosa, protecting against acid damage and treating peptide ulcer. So till now we have read about the amoxicillin and omeprazole. Now let's see the difference between amoxicillin and omeprazole. Amoxicillin. Amoxicillin belongs to the class of antibiotics called penicillins, which works by killing bacteria. And omeprazole, on the other hand, is a proton pump inhibitor, which works by reducing the production of stomach acid. Amoxicillin. Amoxicillin is primarily used to treat bacterial infections such as respiratory tract infections, urinary tract infections, skin infection, and certain types of stomach ulcer caused by the bacterium Helicobacter pylori. Omeprazole is used to treat conditions related to excess stomach acid production, including gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, ulcers, and Johnson-Ellison syndrome. Now, amoxicillin. Amoxicillin is typically available in oral tablet, capsule, and suspension form, and it may also be administered intravenously in certain cases. But on the other hand, omeprazole is available in three forms: in oral capsule, tablets, as well as powder forms or oral suspension. As amoxicillin, common side effects of amoxicillin, including diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and allergic reaction. Now, omeprazole. Common side effects of omeprazole, including headache, abdominal pain. Now, conclusion. As we know that amoxicillin is an antibiotic, omeprazole is also a proton pump inhibitor on the project, and the presentation have made so many uses and have helpful for our futures too, and it's also helped to learn so many new things about bioactivity, also about many new software and websites. So references. I have taken reference from Wikipedia, PubChem, MediPlus, Pass Online, CameDrop, and so on. Thank you everyone.